is about this one. Saving Caleb. What happened to Caleb the fish? What happened to Caleb the fish? What was stuck on his face? The plastic bag. Who threw the plastic bag in the sea? In the river? What's the name? The otter. The otter brothers threw the plastic bag in the sea. Because what did they do? What did Tyson and Tiger do? Splash! He splashed into the well and then all the water came out, right? And then what did Run the orangutan do? What will happen? What will happen to the fishies? Eat the fish. Yeah, fish can eat the trash or not? No, what will happen to the fish? Fish will die. Do you want all the fish to die? No, then you must keep the water very, very clean. Very clean. So we must take care of the water, right? How else can we take care of the water? And you see, remember this story? What happened to all the water in the well? Drink, I wanna drink, drink, I wanna drink. Oh yeah, we don't have water. Swim, I wanna swim, swim, I wanna swim. Oh no, we don't have water. Hey, you never dance. Please help us. Take off the water. Watch out. We can save water. Turn it up, we can save water. Brush your teeth on zigzag, brush your teeth on zigzag. You should remember. Turn off the tap! Take the shower, wash my hands off. Okay? Turn off the tap. Otis is like, oh, I'm so bored. This otter, 就这个。Correct. The otter throw inside the water playing balls, correct or not? They form a ball with the rubbish bags, with all the rubbish inside. Okay, twisting the top of the bag into a tight knot and toss the ball high into the air. And then, what happens to this? The fish will. Yes, the fish will eat them. Correct or not? It's not good for the fish. Correct?
Only the fish can eat fish food.
Yes, only eat fish food. But how can we save the water also?
I got fish food.
How can we save water?
Water.
Ask another question. Where does Singapore water come from?
Reservoir.
Reservoir water come from where? No, the reservoir water, the rain goes to
reservoir.
And then the reservoir goes to the
Appleland.
go through the
Appleland.
go through the
And
what comes to Appleland, your teacher, your home, your house, my house. Okay, very good. Yes. So can we waste water or not?
No.
Can we throw rubbish or not?
No.
What about we throw rubbish inside the toilet bowl? Can.
But how? In the rubbish bin.
Yeah, rubbish thrown inside the
Rubbish bin.
very good. Okay, so this book teaches us that we cannot anyhow throw rubbish or leave our rubbish behind. Okay, when we are playing,
Cannot throw
understand?
the water.
Yes, cannot throw the water also. Understand?
Cannot waste the water.
How can we brush your teeth without wasting water? You use a
No.
Yes.
Cup.
use a tap. Yes.
And set on the tap. Pour in the
1 cup of water, correct? What about showering?
No,
Also can. But what cup? You got what? Other than wash hand, brushing, you got what? Shower, correct? How can you save water? So
Off the water.
off the water when you're showering. Yes. You can take long shower or short shower. Okay. Do you want to dance with us? Yes. Okay, everyone stand up. Okay, stand right.
Turn on the tap. Turn on the tap. Tick, tack, tack, turn on the tap. Turn on the tap. We can save water. Drink, I wanna drink, I wanna drink. Oh, we can't, we don't have water. Swim, I wanna swim, I wanna swim. Oh no, we don't have water. Please help us. Turn on the tap. Turn on the tap. We can save water. Keep this down on top. Brush your teeth, go zigzag. Brush your teeth, go zigzag. You should remember. Turn off the tap. When I brush my teeth, I'll take a shower. Wash my hands. Sing together. Turn off the tap. Tick, tack, tack, turn off the tap. Turn off the tap. We can save water. Turn off the tap. The water's coming
Changes. All the animals were affected. Otis the otter was in a bad mood. Okay, who is this? Okay, this is Otis the otter. He ran to gather tiny pebbles to mark, you see the tiny pebbles, a trail leading from the well to the edge of the jungle. I'll be back soon, he thought gleefully. After Otis left, guess who came along? Tyson the tiger! Making his way through the tall grass, Tyson stepped on a pebble. Ouch! He yelled, you see this?
Turn off the tap. Turn off the tap. We can save water.
所以我们要爱惜水吗？要，我们要爱惜我们的水，要珍惜每一滴水。就像刚才我们唱歌唱的，喝水，哇，这最重要，非常棒。还有呢，刷牙按棒，冲凉对，平时洗手非常棒。吃就喝水嘛，是不是？哦，非常棒。煮饭要不要水？要，一定要水。要洗菜要煮饭也要放水还有煮汤，非常棒。如果没有水会怎样？想一下，死掉。到处的动物、植物没有水怎么办？看一下，如果没有水，就会是这样子。你看小朋友没有水喝，那个水都是很肮脏的水，那又弄肮脏了，对不对？所以我们要不要弄肮脏水呀？
不可以。
不可以，我们要保护我们的水，对吗？你看一下这些图画里面，哪个小朋友做的不对？
我知道是
第一幅还是第二幅还是第三幅还是第四幅？去吧。第一幅对吗？它这样就很浪费。你看它的水都流到外面去了，对吗？这个没有必要的。 它虽然在洗东西，我们可以把需要用到的水够了，我们就把水龙头关掉。第二步对吗？
不对，也是。
啊，为什么？
因为没有关。
它没有关紧。他拿完水之后呢，他就走掉，没有关紧。他关了，没有关好，他水龙头还在水滴滴滴滴下来，对不对？啊，那听了那么多，那你们都知道水对我们非常的重要，对人很重要，对，还有谁重要？动物重要，还有呢？动物包括鱼，还有就是植物。OK， 等一下我们玩的就是传水，然后我们是要爱惜水，所以在运输的过程呢，不可以把水掉出来，那掉出来你们就没有珍惜水了，好不好？我们学习啊，有没有出来？没有出来。OK， 你去给你的朋友，哎呀，倒好好啊，两只手拿起来，两只手你要走过去，倒给你的朋友。